guys, welcome. In this tutorial, I'll be showing you how to edit the pop-up display conditions. Let's just say you already have your pop-up and you have set the conditions. Now you want to edit them. So I just want to show you how you go about editing those rules. So in my example here, um, that would be I need to go to the dashboard. You can see when I click here, it just pops up. That's what I want to fix. So go to the dashboard, under templates, pop-ups, and I'll just edit one pop-up here, edit with Elementor. Okay. Okay, so this is our template. So what I need to do, it usually used to be around here, but now we can just go up there. Next to publish, just click that drop down and you'll see where it says display conditions, triggers, advanced rules. So I'll just go to display conditions and I'll click this to be off, save, and that's it. Thank you guys. If this helped you, please subscribe and comment. Thank you.